Hi, I'm Dakshamurthy. I'm going to tell you that how to use a cologne, right? Everybody asks this question, how to use a cologne. Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you that how to use a cologne and the best colognes for a man. Here's this colognes. It's just for affordable prices. I just brought these colognes from an Amazon. I just put this product link here on the Amazon. I just give it a good discount. So let's get to the video, guys. First, we're going to show you that how to use a cologne. Then I got to list out the affordable price colognes. These colognes are best for a man. Okay. So guys, here I'm showing you that how to spray this cologne. Okay. Here's this cologne. It's for a man. Okay, just I'm gonna show you that how to spray it, right? So then I'm gonna list out the best colognes for the affordable prices. That was good. So first thing about it, you just need to open this cologne and you just need to twice on your neck, and you know, yeah, and you just spray once on your wrist, right? Wrist. That's it. It's the perfect way to spray a cologne, guys. And if you like to add a little bit of cologne, you just need to add this thing, okay? Just twice on your neck and once on your wrist, on each wrist. That's the best way to how to spray this cologne, okay? And yeah, that's the best thing. So let's move on the best colognes in our list, okay, guys? This is the men's perfume, okay? Here is the first perfume in our list, guys. Here is the Bella Vita CEO. Okay, this is one of the best perfumes in the market. Okay, just to give you an affordable prices. Okay, I just brought this thing from Amazon. It's given a good discount. So I'm saying that this perfume is one of the best perfume because you know it got an affordable price and this smells good. And here is the Bella Vita CEO. You know that the perfume is written by Eau de Parfume. It's the French words for perfume. So this is the thing about this perfume is an CEO Bella Vita perfume. Okay, Bella Vita CEO. You just see that it just made for an everyday use, for your office use. It just feels like a CEO because this thing is got a good fragrances, right? So what's this mixed with this? It just has a lemon. Okay, it just has on the top of this lemon, and it's also had a little lavender smell. It just makes you so good and just makes you so fresh. So that's why we're gonna say that this is one of the best perfume in the market. It's good stuff, guys. So yeah, I just brought this thing from an Amazon. It's around 500 rupees. So yeah, I think that is a reasonable price. So that's why I'm gonna tell you the things is okay. It's just good for the gifts and also just used for daily uses. So you can use it, guys. It's the best perfume for man. It's the best thing. So let's move on to the next perfume. And now let's just so I'm gonna show you that here's this perfume, and I will spray it here and there, and I gotta use this thing. I'll tell you that thing. This is the thing you just do. Use this perfume, right? So let's move on to the next perfume in our list. Another men's cologne, it's an Bella Vita Luxury Impact Man. It's the name of this cologne, guys. It's one of the best cologne because it just has an long-lasting fragrances. So that's why I'm gonna say that it's one of the good cologne, right? So I'm saying that it has a good fragrances. I'm saying that what's just in fragrances in this cologne. So first, it just added with an orange. Okay, the top of this fragrance is orange, and then added a little bit of a nutmeg, and they just added woody cedar. So these fragrances make you this cologne wonderful, and it just makes it so smells good. So that's what I'm gonna say is that that's why Ghana suggest you that's cologne, guys. So it's an Bella Vita Impact Man, right? Just go and buy it, guys. I just brought this thing from Amazon. If you like to buy this product, just put this product link here in the description. This cologne comes with a 50% discount. So just click it and buy it, guys. Okay, let's move on to the next cologne on our list, guys. Here it says that this is a Bella Vita Impact perfume, right? This is one of the best cologne, right? I just gonna show you that thing. It's so good, right? So just add it now. Just add this. Wow, it smells good, guys. So it was the best cologne, right? It just stays for a long lasting. That's why I'm gonna say that. Just go and buy this cologne, guys. Let's move on to the next cologne on our list. Okay, guys, here is another perfume in our list. It's an Bella Vita's Eau perfume, right? This is one of the best perfumes in this market. So I'm just gonna suggest you guys because it just gives you an affordable prices and it smells good. Okay, what's that inside this perfume is it just contains a little bit of caramel fragrances, and it just has a little bit of sandalwood, and the main thing is it just has an oud wood smells. So you know that oud wood fragrances, yeah, that was the best fragrances. That's why I gotta say that this is one of the best fragrances. Okay, this smells good, and If you like to buy this product, just go and check it out in Amazon, guys. Let's see this, guys, how it smells, right? I'm gonna say that it's an old wood perfume, right? So I'm gonna spray it here, and this is that rule, guys. Just add it, and yeah, it smells good, right? So I know that you just like to buy this perfume. Just go check it out on the link, guys. It's on Amazon. It just gives it a good offers. Just go and buy it, guys. So let's move on to the next perfume on our list. Okay, guys, here is the another perfume in our list. It's an Bella Vita's Dominus Man, right? It's an you know that Bella Vita Dominus Man. It's one of the best perfume. So I just got buy this thing from Amazon. Yeah, it just have a good fragrances. It's so good. So that's why I'm gonna suggest you guys. It just has the one of the affordable price perfume, and it is good thing. So I'm says that thing. It has a good fragrances. I'm gonna list that. Watch that blender in this fragrances, right? So yeah, they just added the rose fragrances, then they added naga wood and a strong side of cedar wood. So that was the mix is so good and perfume, so it just makes you so good smell. That's why I'm saying the thing about this Dominus perfume, right? So it's the Bella Vita Luxury Dominus Man, right? That was the best perfume, guys. If you just like to buy this perfume, just put this product link here in the description. Go and buy it, guys. Amazon gives it a wonderful offer, so go and check it out and click it and buy it, guys. So let's move on to the next perfume on the list. Guys, here is the perfume. And you just, yeah, that smells good. Yeah, they says that thing it has a rose wood, so I just say that the rose fragrance is so good, and it has an agar wood. Yeah, that was a good thing about this perfume. Yeah, it's one of the wonderful perfume. Yes, let's move on to the next perfume on the list. Okay, guys, here is the another fragrance. It's one of the best calling for a man. Just I'm saying that it's one of the good perfume, right? So it's in a Fog Impresio, right? This is the best perfume because it just has a mixture of a good combo of fragrances, right? What's that the thing is, it just mixture with the ginger and add some. It has some orange flavors and ginger flavors and got some sandalwoods and just add some kind of refreshing fragrances. It makes you so fresh. Okay, it is one of the best perfume for a man. So that's why I'm gonna say that it's just place this thing in our list. So this is one of the best perfume, guys. Fog Scent Impresio, right? Just use it, guys. So I'm gonna say that it has a good flavor refreshment, right? So I use it right now. So yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good, a good smell, right? So these are the best perfumes for men, guys. I listed that these perfumes are good at affordable prices, and it's also available on Amazon, guys, because Amazon gives a wonderful offers on the perfumes, right? For a men's perfumes, that was the best thing. So if you like to buy these perfumes, go and check it out. This links, guys. I just put this product link here on the description. They give you a wonderful offers, right? They give a 50 to 60% discounts for every perfumes, and these perfumes are good in market, and that was a good thing. So I'm just listed this perfume here on the description, guys. Just click it and buy it, guys. These perfumes are best for men, guys. So okay, guys, in this video I'm listed the best perfumes for a man. These perfumes are very good and it has an affordable prices. The perfume fragrances are very good, guys. So that's why I'm gonna list these perfumes here on this video, guys. Okay, guys, you'd like to buy these perfumes, it's available in Amazon, guys. I just put this product link here in the description. Amazon gives a wonderful offers. Okay, Amazon gives a 50 to 60% offers for each perfumes, guys, and this is the best thing about the Amazon. They give a good perfumes with the good offers, and these perfumes are very good, guys. These fragrances are very nice. It has a good affordable prices. Okay, if you like to buy these perfumes, I just put this all the product link here in my description, and go and check it out, guys, and buy it, guys. Okay, guys, I know that, guys, you enjoy this video. I'm listed all this perfume list here on this video, guys, and I know that, guys, you enjoy these videos. For more videos, to subscribe our channel, guys, and see you next video.